What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Happy whatever day it is. Today I will show you our crypto portfolio that's going to be given away. The people that are longer on this channel know how it works. The people that feel like, hey, a crypto portfolio giveaway, stick with me. This will be the biggest giveaway someone ever did on YouTube or in crypto in general. Why do I do that? I will explain it to you. In this video, I will show you our community portfolio. So the portfolio that we have built together, and I will delete the last 5 coins from that portfolio to end up with the 10 best altcoins to buy in this crypto bear market to make a ton of money in the next crypto bull run. We are going to play this right. We are not going away, and I'm so proud of you if you are watching right now, guys. So really, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Like the video already, just give it a little like. It's a little effort. You have no idea how big of a help you are. Sorry. I need to take my medicine, I guess. How big of a help you are if you do. Now, let's take a look at these crypto portfolios. So, first of all, very quickly, for the people that have no idea what it is, I will buy into 4 crypto portfolios. I set up 4 crypto portfolios with coins that are called by famous YouTubers like Alex Becker, Crypto Banter, BitBoy, and a community portfolio that you guys have built. And once Bitcoin hits $100,000, that will happen, but you know, not tomorrow probably, but once Bitcoin hits $100,000, I'm going to give away the portfolio with the highest returns. And I will start with $2,000 per portfolio. But remember, we are buying the best quality altcoins at the lowest point of the bear market. And if we give it away at the top, or at the top at least in the bull run, when Bitcoin is 100K, this portfolio could be worth a lot in my opinion, and that's going to be the biggest giveaway I think there ever will be done, and I love to do that. So because like I said earlier, there are 4 portfolios. I give 1 away. I still have 3. I won't complain, right? And we did an amazing challenge in the meantime. So let's take a look at these portfolios. I took my Excel sheet because I got a lot of comments from you guys on what coins I had to let go of. These are the coins that I'm going to check off the list today, so we exactly see what we end up with. But let's take a real quick look how these portfolios are looking for now. So we have the Alex Becker portfolio. Down 30%. Luckily, I didn't buy a lot, but that's also a lesson for me, but also for you. Do not buy in the deepest of a bear market, like buying every dip and buying like that doesn't work. You cannot catch these falling knives. So we are going to be very smart and cautious about when we are going to do our next DCA into these portfolios, right? So that we really make the most out of it. But Alex Becker has 7 coins in his portfolio so far: Vulcan Forged, AdShares, Superfarm, C5 Fund, Kusama, Altora, and D-Race. Gala, Ultra, and Fresti are just in the watch list, but I haven't bought them yet, so it's not permanent, because I am waiting for Alex Lecker, to stop lagging and make some videos in this bear market about what to buy, and not only in the bull market, because, you know, in the bull market, we cannot take our time and research these, because then the next day they're already up 15 million X. I want it now. I want to, you know, take my time, do the research to them. We need it now. So if someone can call that dude, I don't know, just let him know, man. I need these calls. But we got some nice coins in here. And you know what's also nice? Like, yeah, Kusama is quite high cap, but for the rest, it's all low cap. Like Vulcan Forged, $70 million market cap, but the product is like, mwah. And then we have Ultra, and C5 is low right now. AdShares, Fresti, I like tokenomics of that. But Superfarm, D-Race, Altora, like micro cap. So this is a portfolio. Yeah, it's down 30%. But in a bull run, this does the complete opposite, of course, right? I'm very curious what this is going to do. Let me know in the comments which portfolio you think is going to win. We have the Crypto Banter portfolio, which is down with 10%, which is not that bad. We have Gains, Theta, Stargate, Lido, Near Protocol, Wesder, Gojira, Arweave, and Render. And I need one more. These are 9. I need one more. but Miles needs to do it, right? I'm not listening to Ran anymore. He's too risky. I need these portfolios to survive. It's my money that I'm putting in there. So, but this is the portfolio so far. Yeah, gains doing quite good. But I guess I bought at a good time. I bought GNS at $3.12, now sitting at $3.94, and it's staying there quite nicely for now. And Theta is doing okay. Yeah, for the rest, like Kujira went down a lot. It's also a coin that I don't really know what's so great about. But according to them, it's good. So yeah, I'm just taking financial advice from these guys. I mean, they are the experts, right? Then we have the BitBoy portfolio, and then we go to our portfolio and finalize that portfolio, because that's the most democratic portfolio. Everybody agreed on that, right? So that should be best. But then we have BitBoy's portfolio. And like I said, BitBoy's portfolio is high cap. Like, there are only high cap coins in this. I don't expect this portfolio to do a 100 or 50x, but I expect this portfolio to be quite safe. Although it's down 20% for now. But you know, Polygon, Ethereum, I don't know, the things that will really, well, Polygon and Ethereum, I'm quite convinced that won't go anywhere. For some reason, I don't think that Cardano is going anywhere. Although I don't think it's going to do fantastic. But we have Quant, Algorand, like good projects in here, right? But already high cap, so no 100x's in this portfolio. I don't think there is a single coin in this portfolio that can do 100x in the next bull run, to be honest. But nevertheless, it could make some nice gains. And then we have our portfolio, so the community portfolio. And I asked you guys in the beginning, what should we add? And we had like more than 60 coins in that portfolio. And I was like, oh, that's a little lot. So at least we had it in the watch list, right? And then we had to narrow it down to 20 and to 15. But then I decided, to be the little asshole that I am, like, no, I'm going to make it 10. Because I don't want too much coin. There's $2,000 in that portfolio. I don't want more than 10 coins in there. Otherwise, I have there. I'd rather have, you know, better projects with more allocation, but less projects than all projects all over the place, right? So we're going to delete 5 of those. Now, the thing is that I already bought into all of these. So I'm going to sell with a loss. But it's sometimes better to sell with a loss than to sell later on with a bigger loss. Sometimes you have to do that to prevent a bigger loss, right? Now, I asked you guys which one has to go. So let me pull up that video, and let me take my ADHD medicine real quick. Sorry, I'm not prepared. All right. All right, 30 minutes, guys, and then it should work at the end of this video. Reactions, all right. So I made this video selling 5 altcoins. Which 5 do I have to sell? I got some comments on this. I hate these stupid bots all the time. I can remove them from my channel, but they keep on coming back. So please, like, if you ever someone reaches out pretending to be me, it is not me. I will not reach out to you. I do not have WhatsApp. I have no reason for you yet to, or at least to have personal contact with you. If you want to talk to me, you know, the Fomo Factory Telegram group is in the description of the video. We're all there. But, okay, I won't do this on the spot. That's boring. So which one have to go? Well, let me go over the messages. I want to win. Great. I like that. All right. First one. I will probably drop these 4. Ikami, SNFTS, SingularityNet, and Oasis. Right. Omi. Right. SNFTS. Rose. And SingularityNet is Agix, right? I think that's Agix. Take a look. Yeah. All right. So I'm just gonna go over the comments and to see which one have been voted most on, and that's just what we're gonna do. I want to, you know, it's not my portfolio; it's the community portfolio. You guys decide. I'm like the judge, right? So I have nothing to say. Let me take a look. Where is it? Here we go. All right, that's it. With the uncertainty of soul chicks or whatever is going on there, I would get rid of that. Yeah. I agree. Soul chicks, look, of course, it took a hit because it's on Solana, and every project in Solana took a big hit. But it feels like Soul chicks itself is dying as well. No, like the volume is gone. Like, well, now there's $2,000 volume. Like that's something. But over the last few days, there was like $300 worth of volume, 500, like nothing. Anything under $1 million is like nothing, right? And there was no volume to start with, and now there's actually nothing. No updates on the Twitter. Telegram is dead. It's all dead. I don't think, and the tokenomics are not. They suck, to put it like that. Just to be completely honest. So Soul Chicks, yeah, nah. I need to get rid of that, and it's 70% loss. Well, bad luck for me. Throw money away, you know. But that's why you dollar cost. I didn't go all in. $50 thrown away. Too bad. Yeah, it could happen, but it's to make the most out of this. So that guy or girl says Soul Chicks. All right, cool. Next one. Who has something to say? Let me take a look. These bots are now flirting with you. All right. Look at Stratos. Yeah, but bruh, this is a video to remove coins, not to add coins. But let me take a look just because you ask. Stratos. What is that? Stratus. Tokenomics not good. That's what I already see. Price. It's fine. Where is it? Bible. Only shit exchanges. And Uniswap. And what is it? It doesn't say what it is. What is it? Decentralized data mesh. All right, I will save this for another video. I will take a look at it, I promise. But for now, that's not what the video is about. So let's go get back to the community challenge and to your responses. So I know there was a good community support for LCX, and it might be a good project. I wonder if it will get the volume to do what some others will do in the next bull. So I will say LCX. Yeah. Okay, cool. Yeah, you would say LCX. All right. See how divided the opinions already are. It's quite funny. All right. Soul Chicks, LCX, Beam, and Singularity Net. Oh wow, you really have a lot. All right, let me put it like this, otherwise I cannot remember. So you say Soul Chicks. All right, so that's already 2. LCX, that's already 2. You say Beam Swap. All right, Beam Swap, Singularity Net. So that was Ajax. So that makes it 2. And Rose. Right, and Defina Finance. Did we have Defina Finance in the portfolio? Yeah, we have. Yeah, should we let that one go? But it's so micro cap. It's so 100x or nothing. Fina. All right. There's already 8 out of the 15. That's quite funny. Why is my TV turning off? All right, next one. Let me see. All right. I lost money on Solana. Yeah. I read this. I feel very bad for you. I hope you'll be a bit okay. This is a lot of money, bro. Shit. All right, Ellen. I think you should take a look at Veracity, Theta, AMP. Okay, yeah, but this is not something to add. Okay, drop. Ikami, Soul Chicks, Cadena, and Beam Swap. All right, so Ikami, again, we have 2 of those. Oh, sorry, and Rose, we had 2 of those, of course, as well now. Okay, so we have Economy, Soul Chicks, again. Soul Chicks, Cadena, and Beam Swap again. All right. I will drop Gala, Solana, and Veracity. These are not in the portfolio, so these are undroppable. Let me take a look. I will let go Nervous. All right, so that's another one. That's a CKB. Cadena. Again, Cadena. So that's 2 for Cadena. Ikami. All right. Ikami and Rose. Because they are high of big cap projects, we need the small ones to do 100x. Let me do Rose first. I agree on that, because the risk of being like in small caps is that you lose your money. The returns is that you make money, a lot of money. Well, since I'm investing, you cannot lose money. I can. So as far for the community, it's very understandable that you guys would go with the small caps. So yeah, I totally get this comment. Don't miss Reef. I was in Reef years ago. Didn't do anything. Reef, the blockchain, I think. Okay. Dog, I don't know. Soul Chicks. All right. Soul Chicks. Where's Chicks? Here we go. Soul Chicks has to go. Beam has to go. All right. Oasis. So that's Rose. And LCX. It would be the 4 out of the 5 I would let go. I love LCX long term. I have a decent bag, but I'm not sure if it will get the big run in this upcoming bull. They continue building, but it's a task to get there. Yeah, I don't like LCX myself, but it's not what I think. For most gains, delete cake. All right. Look how funny this is. We have 15 coins and people already named 11, right? So everybody has that different opinion. It's great. Killer giveaway. Awesome. Yeah, thank you. I like it too. This is Dutch as well, by the way. By the way, nice channel. Go on. Thank you, man. Chicks, LCX. Okay, cool. Wait. Let me write this down. So Chicks, LCX, Cake, Fina, and Omi. Cake, Fina, and Omi. All right. And the last one says Soul Chicks. Well, that's obvious that's going. SNFTS. All right. Singularity Net. Ajax again. Right. And Fina. Where's Fina again? And LCX. All right. This is what we're gonna do. You guys chose. So Soul Chicks is one that's going, right? Obviously. LCX is the one that's going. Sorry. LCX is the one that's going, right? Omi is the one that's going. Rose is the one that's going. Yeah, for the rest, it's a tie between Ajax, Beam Swap, and Defina Finance. So, yeah, let me get the final saying in that case. Ajax, Beam Swap, or Defina Finance. Let me take a look. Ajax, Beam Swap, or Defina Finance. I won't choose for Defina Finance. I think, let me take a real quick look at it. Let me pull up that Twitter. Let me take a look. Is it still going on? Defina World Cup, 23rd of Yeah, oh, they're still tweeting. They're doing World Cups now. They're active. So it's not that. Definitely not. Let me check out what's up. So that's good. Let me take a real quick look in the Telegram just to be sure. No, this is by far not that, so that's good. How was the... I want to know one little thing. Maybe it's on CoinMarketCap. CoinMarketCap. I want to know about supply. I forgot. Fina. Oh yeah, 56% is vested. That's not that bad. Yeah. I don't want this one to go, to be honest. I don't I don't want this one to go. This is not that bad. And then it was SingularityNet, or which one was it? SingularityNet or BeamSwap? Yeah. All right, let me take a quick look at BeamSwap, because BeamSwap, yeah, I wasn't much of a fan of BeamSwap. Why? Because there's no volume. That's basically the thing. Like if we take a look at volume, 6, 10K, 7K, it had its days though, where it had like a lot of volume, but it also has a lot of days that it doesn't have any volume. I don't know. It's still out there. Yeah, it's still doing stuff. They burn. Okay, that's nice. They still do things, so that's good. Look, I think that BeamSwap is a good platform if Moonbeam turns out to be a good chain, right? Moonbeam, look, I mean, this is the thing, right? If we look at DeFi Llama and we go to Moonbeam, which is somewhere around here, then you see it's ranked 28, right? It has $65 million total value locked. There are 40 projects being built on it. But that's also a lot of cross-chain, right? Moonwell and StellaSwap are the biggest projects on BeamSwap with $22 million total value locked. The one after that, that's not just, multi-chain, but purely dedicated to Moonbeam, is BeamSwap with $3.5 million. So that's quite lower than this. Right, and this is a DEX, but StellaSwap is also a DEX. So you can say that StellaSwap, if we compare it to the Binance Smart Chain, StellaSwap is PancakeSwap, the biggest by far, and BeamSwap is like BuySwap. Like, it also exists and people also use it, but it's by far not the leading DEX, right? It doesn't mean that, BuySwap is also still doing fine, but will it ever be that big? I think StellaSwap will do that. Also, StellaSwap is just great. It has very good cross-chain functionalities, and I don't know what the fuck. What the fuck? Okay. Midas Capital. Oh, Midas. I know Midas. Okay, cool. Whatever. Off topic. So when it comes to that, I feel like, okay, it's like it's the little brother, to put it like that. So they have to do something very good. For the last couple of months, the total value locked is not really going down though, so it's steady. But the thing with BeamSwap is that we're talking about the DEX right here, right? But in the portfolio, we don't have the DEX. We have the native token of the DEX, right? That's Glint, right? And BeamSwap. And I feel like I don't see really what the working product is for this, because there is like, do you need it for anything? Like, yeah, you can use the DEX without Glint, basically, right? Without BeamSwap token. you have earned, you bridge. I don't know, because yes, the platform has volume, but the token hasn't. So I'm doubting this. One, just because Moonbeam is, yeah. I don't really, I'm not sure about Moonbeam, right? We have all these layer ones that are doing quite well, and yeah, Moonbeam, I don't really know any specific big ass projects that are being built on Moonbeam yet, right? Yeah, we still have to go to the bull run, but then again, now they must build, and I don't see a lot of building going on though. I mean, the biggest things are DEXs, yeah, but you know, okay. And even if Moonbeam succeeds, then it's a question like, okay, then we have Stellar Swap, so why do we need Beam Swap? And if we do need Beam Swap, that's one step further, why do we need the native token of Beam Swap? So there's a lot of questions with this one, if you ask me. And last, we had SingularityNet that had just as much votes. And SingularityNet tokenomics are very much on point, right? Almost everything is in circulation. You have to look at the total supply, right? The difference between the total supply and the max supply is what may have been burned or whatever. Like, so this is total, and well, it's almost the same. Yeah, look, I mean, in 2018 it had a great run. It came all the way down. You could have said it died. It had a good run again in 2021, and now we're back. And this thing shows us that it could survive, right? This thing at least has volume, which is good. It has, well, it has a Binance listing, so, you know, it has good, decent listings. Decentralized artificial intelligence. Yeah, I think this is just the product is just a lot better as well. I'm aiming towards keeping this one and letting go of Beam Swap. The only thing, it depends on the risk. Let me put it like this. AGX is better in every way from what I see. I think we all agree on that. The thing is, this has a $40 million market cap, right? Beam Swap has a $300,000 market cap. But, like said, a lot of ifs. Shit tokenomics, like really shit tokenomics that can really, really work against you. So, yeah, like, we probably won't pull off a 100x with AGX. But AGX is likely to do very well. If Beam Swap will do very well, this is more likely to pull off 100x. But the chance that this will do very well in the first place is very small. So in that case, and we already let go of a relative high cap, relative high cap, relative high cap, I would choose to let Beam Swap go. Right? So these are the 5 that I'm dropping. So thanks for your input. Sorry for being like very like, oh, it's a hard decision because I'm going to let some people down by choosing to let Beam Swap go. But yeah, you know, please one disappoint the other. This is what we have to do. So we keep SNFT as AGX, Fina, Cadena, CKB, and Cake in the portfolio, and the rest, you know, I mean, RFox wasn't even mentioned. Engine Starter, Polkadex weren't even mentioned by anyone. So these are we are going to keep for sure. But yeah, this is what we're going to do. So I'm going to sell some stuff off screen. It's not interesting for you. And then in the next video, in a while, I will show you an update about this crypto portfolio and, you know, how we're going to end up with the most killer portfolio we can think of. For now, if you like the video, please give the video a like. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, feel free to subscribe to the channel. I'm here every day talking about surviving the bear market. And once we did that, we can talk about preparing for the bull run. Once we did that, we can talk about surviving the bull run. Surviving the bull run? Yes, it's hard. See you then, guys.